The button we've placed in our layout is functionless at this point. We'll need to programmatically add a way to have the button respond to a click. In Android, this can be done with listeners. These are objects that we can attach to a view, which in this case, that will sit and wait for an action to occur on that view. In this case, we'll be using a click listener. Once a click occurs, it will then run a piece of code that we will implement. There are actually many flavors of listeners in Android and can listen for things such as hovering, long touch events, and hardware touch events. Once again, we'll be implementing a click listener, which will wait for a click on the button. We'll type the line onClick listener equals new onClick listener, parentheses. Then we'll open up a pair of brackets, and within the brackets we'll write @override, and then we'll implement the method public void onClick with an input of view button, and then we'll open up a pair of brackets there as well. What this code does is implements a click listener, and then we override the onClick method, which fires when the click occurs. The input into the onClick method is the view that we've attached this click listener to. At this point, we've just created a general click listener, but we haven't attached it to anything. So essentially, it's just sitting there waiting for us to dictate which view it should watch. We can add it to the button by first grabbing our button from the XML and assigning it to a variable, and then setting it as the click listener. So, like when we defined our text view variable, we'll do the same thing for the button by writing button, click button equals parentheses button, and then the method find view by ID, and we'll be looking for r.id.click this. Then we'll set the click listener. We'll write click button.set onClick listener, and then we'll input our listener variable, which is the onClick listener that we had just made. Now our button will have a listener that will react every time it's clicked. To show this, we'll move the line in which we change the text in the text view to occur when the button gets clicked. Cut this line and paste it into the onClick method, which again fires on a click to this button. Checking this app out in the emulator shows the reaction on the click of our button.